juicy pear or burger?
Might as well take that one.
No?
What's this?
I ain't taking that shit. I'll just take the nice flop.
Oh god, that would be really bad to shoot someone with.
I ate something quarter.
I want one. I want a mass produce.
It's like, oh, it's okay. They're Nerf bullets. They won't hurt you. They'll hurt you now. Huh? Oh yeah. Hey guys.
I have a lighter green.
Oh, you're in it.
I have the lawn clipping or the lime. You have the booger.
Okay. So I'm just gonna randomly pick.
What?
Yo guys, vlogception. Are you vlogging this too, Cammy?
Yeah, it's a vlogception.
No.
Okay.
Okay, so I either
Rock,
got
paper, scissors again?
Yes.
Dog food
No
or-
claw, Cammy.
Ready?
Rock.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Cammy goes first.
shit.
What kind do you got, Cammy?
I got either dog food or pudding.
Okay.
But she has either juicy pear or booger, I think.
I have lime or lawn clipping.
Which isn't bad.
And she doesn't have any. Yay.
She had one. She ate it all.
No, it's right here.
Oh, log clippings.
I'll leave it after.
So 3, 2, 1.
Zoom in on that face.
Dog food? Steak?
Pikachu?
I can't tell at this point. They all taste the same.
Give it a minute.
Maddie, let's do ready? Ready for us.
Chocolate pudding.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Watch.
Yay.
Alright.
Oh yeah, the barf
Hey, guys,
tricked
I want to
me.
see your camera so I can get you in the face. I want to get your face.
I'm gonna go to hell for this.
I've done that before. You passed.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. Yum.
Is it buggy? Alright, my turn. I am probably going to get the best kind because I have both good options. Unless the grass tastes like shit.
It's actually not bad. I can really taste the booger, it's gross.
I've eaten grass before. This is grass.
Have you ever eaten that grass before?
You've eaten ass before?
Grass! Grass!
Exception.
I've tasted blood.
No one here is eating ass.
Well, I hope nobody has.
I have. I'm trying to get one.
No takesy backs.
No takesy back.
For you.
Why?
Oh my god.
Because you eat.
Oh
I miss
no!
Clippy.
No, this is a freaking
He's on the
stinky
window next
sauce,
day,
a
and I
tutti
have
frutti.
Pet. I can't.
Alright, I'm probably gonna do one more. I
You
either
got
get
the same.
I
Wait, no, you got the dead fish or...
That's pink.
Gravel.
Yeah, that's...
Gravel is hard because I use it as a sealant.
it's either
The one that you have is multicolored, so... That's dead fish.
Daddy got the fucking
strawberry
good one.
banana
Yeah,
smoothie.
so did you.
Okay,
Good, this is
I'm gonna prepare myself.
Alright, I'm
Wait.
going to do rock, paper, scissors, if you guys.
Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Claw.
You both have to go now. I don't have to go.
Oh wait,
Now just you and Maddie.
rock, paper, scissors, shoe.
Oh, okay, I'll take this.
Straight up down.
Yay! Cheers, bitches.
You don't see her eat it because she's stupid.
Woo!
Somewhere in my bag.
Hey, go sit. Go sit.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh god, it's my turn. This is either gonna be dead fish or strawberry smoothie, so...
Bad for someone.
I wish you the best of life in the afterlife.
Yeah, that's true. How does it work?
It's
If
a
Minecraft
mixed bag,
moves
it's
it,
both.
How does the sun rotate around it?
So how does that taste?
Actually does.
It kind of tastes like rotten egg.
Rotten egg. By the way, I don't think that was on clippings.
Well,
That didn't taste like it, so
but
it's...
like on like
Have fun!
Alright, make sure. The recorded answers, let me know.
There's this one big
Death.
hole in the ground.
Death in a nutshell. Don't stop, please.
He can't be receiving
If it stops at 4,
That means on the other
so that's gonna probably
That's
be
bad.
these stinky socks because Fate hates me.
Oh my god. Deception. Oh,
I feel bad. You poor soul.
Just like this.